Ow. Oh my.
You're what to talk, Peter.
Call him, Kimmy.
I'm calling you.
By the way, John doesn't have the key.
Calling who?
John, because Bryce wants to get out.
John Lee does not have the key.
Yeah, he does.
No, he doesn't. He said he does.
He does.
Who did this?
Me, I took my son to Bryce.
Are you serious? You don't know anything, so shut it.
Dumbasses, man. Come on, Kimmy, keep calling him.
Hey, that costed $10, you know.
I don't care.
Big hustle in the room.
Don't do nothing. You don't know let's go find John.
He's in the car.
Yeah.
Watch it happen.
It's so funny because they're handcuffed the wrong way.
No, we're not.
Oh.
I hate you so much. God. I am going to kill you. This stupid sophomore!
Treat him well! Never mind!
Will He wants out.
Hey, David, you should see what we did to Casey. We locked him up to the chair and we started tickling him like crazy.
Oh, John unlocked him. Look what he did for me.
So this is what it was like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I already told him,
Yeah.
John's video.